Welcome back, guys. This is Eric Lascano, and in this video segment, I deliver to you all an exercise that will allow you to dance gracefully with doing nothing. The exercise is called counterbalancing the negative. Okay, so just imagine for a minute a seesaw. Okay, you got it. Great. Now, this exercise is going to require two things: a piece of paper and a writing utensil. And it's going to have two steps. Okay, but step 0 is to generate a column on the left-hand side of your piece of paper. At the top of the column, you're going to have a negative sign and circle it. Then you're going to generate 4 plus signs and circle each one of those individually. So now you have a column of 1 negative and 4 pluses. Now that's step 0. Step 1, you're going to translate doing nothing into English. So we said in our last video segment that doing nothing doesn't exist. So we want the actual translation of doing nothing. For our example, we're going to use a sizzling hot one right now, loneliness. So we're going to write loneliness to the right of that negative sign at the top. That's step 1. Step 2 is going to be to generate the 4-to-1 favorable to unfavorable ratio. That's the ratio we want. That's the ratio we're interested in. So now the caveat here is that the 4 favorable conditions need to be conditions that we ourselves are experiencing now or relate to conditions we've experienced in the past. So in our example, breath is present, migraine is absent, presumes past medical history is significant for asthma and migraines. Okay, that's it, guys. There you have it, an indispensable gadget in your utility belt to pull out every time doing nothing arises. So if doing nothing arises in the form of loneliness 5 times in an hour, you now have 5 opportunities to use this exercise and handle loneliness with grace. And if generating 4 new positives every time you do the exercise is just not within reach right now, that's okay. Just refer back to the initial set of 4 and use those as a reflection. Guys, remember the why in all of this to help us recognize that the only prerequisite to productivity is presence. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.